Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader and in this video we are taking a look at how low can Tesla stock go from here. Now, before going further, as always, none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes, just sharing my opinion. Please do your own thing. Now, as I have said previously, right from here at the zone of 488, that Tesla is in the weakness already, and we may see a decline. First was from the multi-day side, $488, right? And then once we started, or almost for starting this week around 470 and around, I mentioned once we start to lose that, we're gonna slip lower, and most likely we are heading in the direction of 439. Everything is working out as just how I mentioned. Now, while I'm talking about that, let's turn on my tools. Here you can see on the daily interval, we are in the negative structure already on Tesla as well. So that's also your telltale sign. And also on the hourly interval, we did get some rebound today, but let's see if it has some teeth. But let's turn on that tool again. We have been just, you can see as we start to lose the cloud, multi-day we have been in the still sell-off and red structure here, right? So that was if you are trading multi-day and we are below the cloud, if you have access to my tools, you could have just short it there, made a lot of money. Today, as you are seeing tools are telling you that rebound is building up, so you should start to at least take some partial profits in this short position if you took that, okay? If you need access to my tools, check out the details in the description of this video, okay? Now, how low can Tesla continue? Even though rebound a little bit is building up on the hourly interval as I just showed you, it's not that overall structure is becoming bullish, because as I just showed you, overall structure on the daily interval is still bearish. We are still in the red structure. 458 is the zone. It's unlikely, but if it happens, 458 and 90 cents around, as if Tesla can either close closer to it or above it, rebound can continue and the next significant level of 465 could be tested. But these will be just rebound plays, guys, right now. Okay, Tesla will not turn bullish within a day or so right now. Once the structure breaks overall as well, it takes first some stabilization and then couple of days, and then my tools will give you the signal when the structure is bullish again, and then that could be then with confidence full on can be traded again to the upside. But right now, overall structure is bearish. On the multi-day side of the thing, some rebound today is building up, but how much teeth it has until we close above 458, that doesn't have really strong strength. 458 and 90 cents. If we stay below it, this is just a little bit of a today's rebound, and that would be it. Don't expect much out of that. All right, so you gotta little bit be cautious here, and I'm just showing you 5 minutes interval as well. I'll say, yeah, it's a rebound can happen, continue today as we stay above 452. But for tomorrow, if for day trade also and the rebound has to continue, we have to start to get above 458. But as I said, that's just going to be a rebound only. Now, how low do we still have a room to continue on Tesla? As I have said, 439, that still remains our next possible target. Definitely, if we lose 439, though I expect some bounce may happen there, but if anyhow we lose 439, then we have a room to test, yeah, 422 and 411. If Tesla comes back again to 372, that's when I would like to start my position. Right now, I don't have any position in Tesla. I was fully out at 488. Just what I tell you here is, and what my tool tells you is what all I do as well. Okay, I'm not doing something special behind the scenes. What my tools tells here is all what I do as well on my portfolio. And that's why I get behind my tools, because they have been built by me, and over the course of years, that's what have made me profitable as well. So now, yeah, and here, below 439 is where I consider a little bit of a deeper problem, and that's when I would like to start position in Tesla again. For myself, for the long term, for the day trade, those are different stories. As I just showed you on my tools, those will be used to make the decisions for trading purposes as well. But I'm talking more from the long-term perspective position, where I'm like in my long-term portfolio, I would be interested if Tesla gets to 382 around, 372 around, then only in my long-term portfolio I like to start again a position. Otherwise, I'm just okay to just trade it. Okay, so based on the price, near-term price action, but I don't like to buy in the long-term portfolio at the highs. Okay, um, and for the day trade, multi-day trade, swing trade, you can do that from anywhere, wherever the price is, right? So as long as you know where to buy, where to sell, and my tools will help you in that. Okay, so let's take a look at the weekly interval as well, just before wrapping up. On the weekly interval, you can still take it as a pullback, but this still has a room to test 439. Now, only, and that's where the bigger problem will be if we lose 439 to 438 on the weekly as well, because that's where a little bit sentiment starts to break, and that's why I'm saying 372 is then possible, right? So anyhow, so far, near term, yes, we have weakness. Can we push higher? Well, in the near term, if any rebound even for a day more has to build, we'll have to get above 458. Otherwise, no, we are still weak on Tesla. All right, guys, that's all I had for you in this video, and with that, we'll see you in the next videos. Take it. Bye.